Hey, it's Alex. For my personal engagement project, I decided to show you guys a side project that I'm working on. It's a web application called HearthDuel that simulates the arena mode in the game Hearthstone. For those who don't know what Hearthstone is, it's basically an online card game. You can play as 9 different classes, each of which has a unique hero power and cards that they can use. You craft decks to face other people. In Hearthstone, there's a game mode called Arena. To demonstrate how it works, I'll show you guys a video of a top streamer playing it. So basically, you pay in-game currency or real money to participate in this game mode. Here you can see that he paid gold and he picked a warlock to play as. Once you pick your class, the deck drafting begins. You are presented with 3 random cards at a time. You can then pick one of the 3 to be added to your deck list, which will then cause the game to present you with another 3 cards. This continues until you make a complete deck, which consists of 30 cards. You then face opponents who have made decks through the same process. The biggest reason why I like to play Arena is because you don't have to own any of the cards. The cards that they present to you are from the entire Hearthstone card pool. For this reason, the Arena mode really appealed to me when I first started playing. As a new player, you don't have many cards, and it can be frustrating to get wrecked by decks just because they have better cards. Ever since I started playing, I always wanted to use the decks drafting process to create decks to challenge my friends with. However, Hearthstone's Arena only allows you to play with strangers through their random matchmaker. For this reason, I decided to make HearthDuel, which I will show you now. Alright. Basically, how it works is that you and your friend can enter your deck collections, and then the web app will simulate the Arena's deck drafting process, but using only the cards that you and your friend have in common. The app will then show you the deck that you've created, and you can put this deck in your actual Hearthstone game and then challenge your friend in the deck that they made. This evens out the playing field since both you and your friend will be pulling from the same pool of cards. So here is the deck collection screen. You can see all the cards that are available. There are different tabs for each of the classes. You can click on the cards to change the quantity. So if I click here for conceal, you can see that it's at 2. If I click on it again, it will change to 1. I already set up this collection since it takes a long time to manually enter all the cards. So now I'll just name my collection. I'll just name it Alex. And I'll press submit. It sends it to the server and it's saved in the database. You can then go to the challenge screen, which you can't really see. So you can enter your collection name, which I just made, called Alex, and an enemy collection name. I made this before just to save time, and I named it Ming. Then you press submit, and then you're presented with 3 cards. You can then pick you can just pick the card that you like the best. In this case, I know that Sunwalker is the best, so I'll just pick Sunwalker. And then you just go through the rest of the cards until you have 30 cards. So I'll just do it really quick. Let me turn off the hover thing real quick. Right. And basically, once you have, this is a bug because you can only have 1 legend. You can only be shown 3 different cards. So that's something I hope to fix. And there you go. Once you have your 30 cards, it will get displayed down here. And then you can go into the Hearthstone game, copy this list, and then challenge your friend. And ideally your friend would be going through the same process as well, just so you guys both have cards made through the arena simulator. And that's basically it. Once again, it's a work in progress, which is why it's not very polished. But there are many things I would like to add or fix. For example, I would like to implement a histogram API to show the user the deck's mana curve as they draft their decks. I also like to add filters to the deck collection page to make it easier for users to enter their collections or exclude certain cards. And that's pretty much it for my personal engagement project. If you have any tips, ideas, or questions, just let me know. Thanks.